Today I'm planning to explain verbs. Instead of saying very, we can just say like here, right side here. So in just single word we can say, instead of saying very simple, very shiny, very open, we can just say like basic, timid, transparent. First one, very simple. Basic means things are easy to understand and we can do easily. So they are basic, simple. That is where we say basic. Basic means it is easy to understand and do things easily. Very shy. Instead of saying very shy, we can just say timid. Timid, shy means they have lack of confidence or courage to do things. They get fear for doing things. Shy, lack of courage and confidence. Very, very open. Instead of saying very open, we can just say transparent. Transparent means crystal clear. They are honest. That is how we say. Very poor, destitute. Very poor means they have no money, shelter, or clothes to wear. That is where we say poor. They have lack of money, food. Instead of saying very poor, we can just say destitute, opposite of wealthy. Wealthy means that person is rich and they lead normal life. They have abundance of money, no problem with having money or anything. But when we say destitute means opposite of wealthy. They have no money, proper food or clothes to wear. Next one, very quiet, hushed. Instead of saying very quiet, hushed means silent. They talk quietly. Silent, not loud. Very rich, like as I said before, wealthy. They are rich people. They have money, no problem to like food or anything. They have lot of money. Very sharp, keen. Keen means they are interested to do things. They are fond of doing and they like to do things. They are enthusiasm and eager to do things. What they wanted to do, they do. Because of they have interest and they quick perception, like they're kind of clever. That is what it means. Very scary, like frightening. Chilling is frightening, get fear. Like cause to make someone to fear, chilling. Very rainy. Instead of saying very rainy, we can just say pouring. Sometimes we get heavy, very rainy. We say like this, very rainy. Instead of saying like this, we can just say pouring. Very painful, excruciating. Excruciating means like it's very painful. Like some pains are not tolerable, very painful. That is where we can use this. When they get hurt themselves, then some pains not able to bear. So that is where we can use this word, excruciating. Very mean. Very mean means cruel. They don't bother about other feelings. They cause to harm. That is where we use cruel. They don't concern about like good or bad. Very boring. Dull means not showing interest, or they get, even we also sometimes get bored. And when the things are not like sometimes in a material, like some clothes, or sometimes they look dull, or some people also, that time we use this word dull, not shining. That is in that way also we can use. Very slow, sluggish, not inactive, and slow movement, not fast movement, slow, inactive, not active, sluggish, very slow. Their progress and are slow, sluggish. Also we can say just this word, sluggish. Very careful, cautious, cautious about something. Like some people, they, if we say who cautious means who acts as cautious in the terms of, they are very careful in terms of avoiding possible danger. They take very careful with those things. They try to they be careful with some bad things going to happen. They avoid to get to happen those things. They are very careful, cautious about dangers and all. Very colorful, vibrant. Instead of saying very colorful, we can just say vibrant. Means strong color, shining. That is what it means. Very creative, innovative. Innovative means very creative. They have new ideas and that themselves, and they always bring new things. And because of they have that knowledge, skill, so they create different things, are like their ideas are very new. So that is where we use. Innovative means they have ideas and do new things. Very crowded, bustling, very crowded, bustling. If some market and all, we can say crowded, because there is activity, full of activity, where people are there, very crowded. Sometimes we even can't walk in that crowd. That is where we can use like crowded means full of activity and more crowd, people everywhere. Instead of saying very crowded, we can just say bustling, bustling. Very empty, desolate. Very empty means desolate. We can say if some people, someone or some people with you, and when they move from that place, we feel lonely and some kind of empty. That is where we use desolate, loneliness. Very loose. Instead of saying very loose, we can just say slack. Slack. Loose means opposite of tight. Tight means they are like dress and all, they are tight. Opposite means loose, not tight. So instead of saying very loose, we can just say slack. Very cute, adorable. Very cute means adorable. They are attractive and grab other people direction towards them. That is where we use. In even one of my video, I have explained this word. Vocabulary video, I think. Adorable means very cute. They are attractive. Like babies and all, they are cute. And they are lovable. Very cute. They make other people to get attractive or love to those people. That is what it means. Very cute means adorable. Yeah, I hope you understand this all. Like instead of saying these words like left side, like very simple, very shy. In single word we can say basic, timid, transparent, destitute, hushed, wealthy, keen, chilling, pouring. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Bye for now.